Hello all, before starting to program or Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board using Arduino IDE, the first thing that need to be done is update the platform with Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board. So what does it mean? Basically, when you have Arduino IDE, by default you don't have the support for Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board. For this, we need to update the platform to have support for Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board. For this, if you are using Arduino IDE 2.2.1, on the left you see a Arduino kind of symbol, which is basically a board manager. So here, just let us cut this. So here you see support for various boards that is provided by the Arduino. So here search for Arduino Uno R4, and you can see this is the package that is supported by the Arduino. Now, the Arduino Uno R4 Minima and Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi are the boards supported by this package. And you can see the latest version is 1.0.5. If you have already installed Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board support, and if you have previous versions, you will get update option here. But if you are installing for the very first time, you will see this and click on install. So you can see in the output window the installation continues, and it takes a minute or two to get this updated. And once it is updated, you are ready to use the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board using Arduino IDE. So once it is installed, you can see you see that 1.0.5 installed, and you have a remove option. So if in case you want to remove and again update, if you are facing any issues, you can do that as well. So this is the starting point before using Arduino IDE with Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board.